The Animals Unite, narrated by 𝐄𝐀𝐒𝐿. The Buddha had been born many times on earth before becoming the Buddha Sakyamuni. In one of his previous lives, the Buddha was a wise monkey king. In the forest that he ruled, there lived many animals and birds. Like in any other forest, the creatures of the forest would sometimes argue and fight. However, under the Monkey King's leadership, they mostly lived happily and in peace. One day, the rhinoceros, one of the Monkey King's attendants, came running in a great huff and puff. The rhino panted with fear and said to the Monkey King, "Your Majesty, there's a hunter in the forest with a bow and arrow. He's a danger to us all." The Monkey King was worried and called all the creatures of the forest. "In the forest, sometimes we don't get along. The deer run from the tigers, and the birds don't like the mice. But today, we have a common enemy. And the only way we can be safe is to be united," the king said. Then, all the birds, animals, and even the insects came together to defeat the common enemy. Soon, all the creatures of the forest went back to their homes, and everyone knew exactly what to do. They all hid away from the hunter, under leaves and grass, in trees and bushes, under water and rocks, inside caves and hollows. When the hunter passed by, the animals who saw him would signal to alert all the others nearby. The hunter spent not only the entire day, but also the following days tirelessly searching for a target to kill. However, he failed to spot any creature. Eventually, the hunter gave up and decided to hunt in a different forest. After a few days, the animals knew that they were safe, and they all came out to celebrate.
Become a member of Educare Skill today by downloading the app and make lifelong learning your habit.